y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. I want to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, please go down right below, hit that subscribe button. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also please remember to share this video. With that being said, we'll get right on into this video. This mostly is for people that have never heard of paper pumpkin and don't know what paper pumpkin is. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Before we get into that, let me also remind you that if you put in an order, this is my new host code. It's TJU3SPYT. This is good till June the 28th. And my website is www.southernangels.stampinup.net. You can go there and place any order and use that host code. So now we'll get right on into it. This was the paper pumpkin for the last month. And I don't know why I'm holding it upside down. Sorry about that. This was the paper pumpkin for last month. And I never did show you guys, so I want to show y'all now. I had so much that I was doing, I forgot that I didn't show y'all, and I haven't opened it or nothing to do any cards. So I'm not going to do any cards right now, but I just want to open it and show y'all, and then I'll do some cards and just show y'all now. Because I don't think some people know exactly what maybe paper pumpkin is on here. I know some people, the ones that do, already probably get it because they're a demonstrator themselves. But those of y'all that don't, let me show y'all what it is. This is how it comes. Now this was a special edition. The normal box will look like this. It's a little orange box like this. This was just a special box right here because it was called the Shelli box. But when you open them up, they come like this. You get your little welcome card, and you'll see your little stamp set. And your first one, you'll get a block. And you only get a block in your first kit. I'll have to turn it so y'all can see. So when you get your block, you'll always want to hang on to that block in that first kit, because that's the only block you'll have. Keep that for all your kits when you sign up. Okay. And you'll always get you a stamps. They'll always be different. Like I said, I haven't even opened up this. You always wrap it real pretty. And then you'll get you a little ink. And this one is Early Espresso. And then it shows you what's going to be in the kit. And there's always more than enough to make plenty of cards. This one says Hugs from Shelli Instructions. So this was the May kit. This last one here was that I got. It was a free kit that I got when I signed up to be a demonstrator, and I believe it was the February kit, I'm thinking. And I played around with it and made a few cards, and I'll just show you some of the cards I made. But these were some of the cards I made in it. These were cards. I did not follow the directions in the card kit. I just went on my own. And then I added some things that were also not in the kit. I can't even remember what I showed. I can't remember what I showed y'all. I guess I should have laid them all out. I'll do it this way. But these were the cards that I made with that kit. And then I've got plenty of products still. This is what it showed how to make those cards. Yeah, it was the February kit. So, and I just kind of went on my own to see what I can do. And you can do that. You don't have to follow the kit the way it is. So anyway, with these kits, everything's included. Your stamps, your ink, and then your first kit, your block. The only thing you're going to need is a pair of scissors, good pair of scissors, and something to clean your stamps with. I have my stamp Shelli. So we're going to open this up and see what all's in here. I'm so excited to finally open this. I've been thinking about this, and I thought, oh yeah, I really need to open this. And I thought, well, I want to do it so I can show y'all. Now, if you want to order one of these, just go to my website. The June kit now is available. There's till, let's see, there's 4 days left, I believe, for the June kit. But then after that, I mean, you could still order. You just won't get the June kit. It'll be the July kit after that. And there's pictures on the website of what the June kit looks like. So these are really cute here. And the June kit looks really cute too. But this is what this kit looks like. And like I said, each kit is different and very, very pretty. I know everybody was excited about this one because Shelli, the CEO, had put this one together, especially. So this one was like a collector's item for us. These are all the little cards. So you got a couple of these designs, a couple of the flowers. Okay, so you got some of these. These, let's see. these little cards here. These little cards here. Let's see. Oh, okay, there's another little card there. I was wondering if there was another bird's nest. I like that bird's nest. And then you have some of these labels in this. Let's see what all the envelopes are. Okay, so we got some of the flowers, some with the bird's nest. Okay. We've got the feathers and then some of the flowers here. Okay, so we've got that. And then let's see, we'll move this out of the way. And then let's see. Of course, it shows everything right here. Yeah, and then you can see here all the envelopes are very pretty decorative. Some have stripes. And some have the leaves. Just very pretty. All the kits are very pretty like this though. Because that other kit that they sent me when I became a demonstrator to show me what they look like, it was very pretty too. So here it shows, they give you all your directions on how to design each card. So you have real easy directions. Tells you how to do everything. It shows you the pictures and all that. So that's if you've never done a card. I mean, this is right here for beginners. And if you don't need the directions, or you want to, you know, like I did, go off on your own, make up your own, you can do that, or you can follow the directions, whatever you want to do. And then here's the stamps. So I hope y'all can see that. We've got grateful, hello, thank you, for you, and love, and dear friend. And then here's two little birds, like seagull birds, some flowers. It's like sand or something, I guess. And there's a feather right there. I think I got everything. And did I say hugs? That's hugs right there. Grateful, hello, hugs, thank you, for you, and love, and dear friend. I think I said all that. Okay, so that's all the stamps in the early espresso. Now we got our little packet of goodies here. Let's see what else in here. Got our twine. And look at this velvet ribbon. This is one of the new in colors here. And it is colors are crumb cake, old olive, petal pink, pool party, pretty peacock, soft suede, and very vanilla. Those are the colors that are in the kit. So this is the new in color pretty peacock right here, and this ribbon feels so nice. Look at this, it's beautiful, and they give you plenty of it. So this is beautiful ribbon. I really like that. Losing my voice. So I can't wait to make some cards with this. So we've got that. Excuse me. And then the petal pink ribbon. And I've heard everybody said this, or twine. This twine is really nice. It's different. So yeah, it feels really nice. It really is. It's kind of delicate and stretchy feeling. So that's in the petal pink. And then we've got this twine here. And this is in the crumb cake. Untwinding. Oh gosh, can't believe I said that. Unwinding everything where it won't wind back. And then of course you've got your glue dots. They give you your little dimensionals. And these, look at these guys. The little birds. Oh, these are so sweet looking. I hope y'all can see these. Let me zoom in. I'm trying to get them zoomed in where y'all can see, but my lighting is so bad. I just want y'all to see these. And I've got such bad lighting right now because it's so cloudy out. So there you go. That's everything that's in this kit. And like I said, this is what the kits look like. So if you'd like to start getting these kits, just go to my website, www.southernangels.stampinup.net, and use the host code, and you can start getting these paper pumpkin kits. You can just get one at a time, or you can sign up to get for 3 months or 6 months, or however you want to do it. You know, they're very flexible. So just wanted to share that with you and let you see. And stay tuned, and I'll be showing you more on how these cards look in another video. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.